Hey guys, welcome back to Tank Garage. My name is Frank and I'll be the man behind the camera. Welcome back to another beautiful day here in Montreal, Quebec, Canada. We have a pretty snowy one today, guys, like you see, but that won't stop us from making content for you guys. So I actually planned on doing a winter shenanigans video soon for you guys, since like you guys see, we have a ton of snow. And you know what that means, right? Rear wheel drive BMW, and I don't know why this guy just honked behind me. I was loud, holy. Rear wheel drive manual BMW in the winter, and we get a lot of fun. So in today's video, like you guys saw in the title and the thumbnail, what we're gonna be doing is installing some brand new sequential LED side signals on my 1998 BMW 328i. Before the video starts, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any content from Tank Garage. Alrighty guys, so I have my trusty ply tool, which I don't know if it's gonna scratch the paint. It shouldn't really scratch the paint since it's plastic. I also have my tripod right here, and I will take out the LED turn signals. These are the side turn signals. Sorry guys, the way I'm holding the box is kind of awkward. So these are the side turn signals. Just gonna wait for this truck to pass. So like you guys see right here, side turn signals. Jesus, those trucks are so loud, guys. So side turn signals right here, which plug directly into the bulb socket, which is the OEM way of connecting it all. I got one out of the plastic already for you guys. So these are the exact same that go right about here. You guys could probably see that, and this will be the replacement. I guess this is on the other side. Yeah, this is on the other side, and the one I just had in the bag is gonna be this side. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw you guys onto the tripod right here. We'll get to work. It should be pretty straightforward. I'll show you guys how it looks at the end as well. Alrighty guys, so sorry in advance for all of the noise. There are like 6 snow plowing machines here on the way, so thank God my driveway was already done. So like I told you guys probably saw the old videos. There is gonna be, I don't know if you guys can see the wheel over here. Very, very, very dirty. This is gonna be a problem that I'm gonna have to fix on the E36 soon. So the brake caliper, I believe, is seized. So the car still stops, it just does not stop the way it should be. So what I'm gonna do now is start by removing this side. So all we should do is, well, I don't know if you guys saw how easy that was compared to, oh my God, there's so many trucks here. Jesus, there's like 4 trucks that just passed right next to me. I'm gonna wait for them to pass by, guys. So very simple, you just have to remove the little connector right here, and what we'll do now, I'll try to zoom in for you guys so you guys can see a little bit better. I don't know if you guys can see the connector. Yeah, I think you guys can see the connector properly. So you just want to pull this connector up and just disconnect the assembly. It should be a little bit tough. Actually, you know what? We're not going to do that. We're just going to disconnect the bulb, because I remember now, you don't need to do all of that. So now that we have the bulb disconnected, guys, we're gonna grab the new assembly, which is right here. You guys should see it properly. I don't know if you guys can see this. You want to remove the bulb that's inside. Don't put it in the snow. And then you just want to pull this plastic back just a tiny bit so it doesn't get squeezed in with the car. This was way easier than I thought, guys, honestly. Let's just see if this clips in properly, which it should. There we go. And then you just want to find a way to put this little bad boy back in, pull the plastic back, and then what we're going to do actually is we're going to have it hanging right here, and we're going to go and test out the blinker to make sure that it works properly. You guys will be the first to see if it works or not. And that seems like it's working, guys. Looks pretty good. I'm gonna be totally honest, it does not look as good as the Volvos. The Volvos is a complete beam, and this one is a bunch of LEDs, but it still looks really good. So let's turn off the car. And then what you want to do, guys, the final part is just pushing it in just like that. And now we can see that it clipped in properly. I'm just gonna push this back end in a little bit and the front end. And there we go, boys. Look how sleek that looks. That looks really, really good. My hands are full of snow right now. Let me try to back this up. So way sleeker, guys. The reason why I purchased this was because the E36 has some black trims all around the car like this. So now we're gonna have a complete black trim right here, which is gonna complete the look of the E36. I did plan on doing blacked out turn signals in the front as well, just to tone in the look of the car, but we're gonna go on the other side and we'll do the same thing together. Alrighty guys, this time I put the blinker in my, well, the turn signal in my pocket. We're gonna do the same thing. Hopefully we pop it out properly. The other one was way too easy, honestly, guys. This also has like a, let's see if I can get it here. See, this is how hard it should be. This is how it should be. It shouldn't be easy like it was. Ooh, I don't want to cut my finger there. I don't want to break these as well, because these are worth kind of good amount of money, not gonna lie. Okay, there we go. There is a rubber, you know what, guys? I'm gonna go on the other side and I'm gonna, let me just pop this out. I'm gonna remove this rubber piece and I'm gonna put it on to the new one, just to make sure. My hands are so dirty. Oh my God, how dirty was this? I'm gonna keep the bulb as well. What I'll do is I'll put this rubber piece, I'll actually just clean it in the snow really fast. Wipe it on me. There we go. This, I'll put it back in my pocket. My hands are so dirty. I can't believe how much dirt was there. And I will put this back onto the new one, just to make sure that I don't get water that accumulates in there. So let's pull this back. Sorry guys, I'm on my feet not showing you guys what I'm doing. But we're gonna pull this back, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna slide this through and we're gonna put it on the new one, just to make sure we don't have water that accumulates there and causes more rust. Not like the E36 needs more rust at the moment. Okay, let's put this in right here and pop. Et voila, boys. All right, this side is done. I'm just gonna carry you guys to the other side. Oh, I don't want to lose this bulb. I don't want to lose. Okay, don't get me copyrighted. I'll carry you guys to the other side right here, and we'll do the exact same thing with this side, which will pop it back out really fast, and we will put the little rubber grommet just like this, so it seals better. Let's see here. There we go. Just gonna put this right here. We're just going to remove this like that. Put the rubber grommet back on it. I don't know if you guys could see me. You guys could probably see just by far. And put it back right here. These were pretty easy to take out, so I'm not too, there we go. Now it seals properly. Now there's a nicer fit to it. I'll just try to clean my hands real fast, and I will show you guys. Let me just zoom in here. I don't know if you guys can see the grommet. Probably not, but the grommet's on there now. So I'll get you guys off the tripod and we'll see each other in a couple seconds. Alrighty guys, so everything is installed, everything is done, and it's time to show you guys the final result. Enjoy these B-rolls. Alrighty guys, so this is gonna be it for today's video. Hopefully you all enjoyed. Pretty easy mod, and it's been what? It's been 4 cars we do this on. I've done it on my S60R before we started the YouTube channel. I've done it on the S80 V8. I've done it on my girlfriend's XC70, and now I've done it on the E36. So 4th car we do this little mod on, and I just realized I forgot to put the autofocus mode back on. So I hope you guys see me properly. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure like usual to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any uploads from Tank Garage. See ya, boys.